Welcome to TAP, tongkrongan anak penabur.
Hari ini kita akan membahas kehidupan anak SMA, terutama di lingkungan penabur. Hi everyone, my name is Darlene Rafaela Suyarkanto, and this is our wonderful teacher.
Hi, my name is Rida Evelina. I am the English teacher and as the co-host today. Here we have two special guests. Kita ada dua tamu spesial hari ini. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name Henny. I'm a school counselor from SMAK BPK Penabur Bandar Lampung.
Hi, I'm Clarissa Alvina Chandra from School BPK Penabur from 11 Science 2.
Oke, sebelum kita ngobrol-ngobrol soal seputar topik kita, Miss Rida boleh tanya dulu deh ke Clarista. Menurut Clarista, apa sih pendapat kamu selama kamu sekolah di SMAK BPK Penabur? Bisa tentang apa saja?
I think I got a lot of new friends and all good teachers, and they all teaching me good and wonderful school material, and I have a lot of activity experience in here.
Wow, seems like you have a good school, right?
Yeah.
Okay, how about from Mem Henny?
Oke, kalau Mem Henny ngerasa ya sekolah di SMAK BPK Penabur Bandar Lampung ini itu betul-betul seperti keluarga ya nggak sih? Jadi kayak kita tuh memang satu keluarga yang saling support satu sama lain. Lalu kemudian segala sesuatunya juga disampaikan dengan baik begitu ya. Jadi kayaknya nggak ada yang serem-serem ya di sini ya.
Oh no,
Harusnya enggak lah.
Oke.
Semua nice.
Oke,
Look at
betul.
us. Okay, thank you Bu Henny. Now I'm gonna ask Darlene. Darlene, as a student, what is your biggest worry?
Oh, my biggest worry.
Yes.
Oh, I have a lot of worries.
Okay.
But if I had to name one right now, it would be being unsuccessful because
Okay.
and not living life to the fullest. Because what if you work so hard for like one certain goal and you end up like unhappy or anything,
It's like you have to find your potential, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
And-
that will be our topic today,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Today we'll be
Yes.
talking about how to reach our fullest potentials, and that's why we have our wonderful two guests
Okay.
today. Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Oh yeah.
Darlene?
Okay. So first question, if you guys had to give us like steps on how to reach our fullest potential, what would that be?
Mungkin dari
ya,
Bu
dari
Henny
Mem
atau
Henny
dari Clarissa dulu.
Oh,
Oke.
yeah, Mem
Mem
Henny
Henny
boleh
dulu
coba
ya.
ya.
Oke.
Kalau kita bisa mencapai potensi kita, lalu kita akan menjadi seperti apa begitu ya? Yang jelas pastinya kita bisa mencapai titik terbaik atau titik maksimal dalam kehidupan kita. Dan yang terpenting sebetulnya ketika kita bisa mencapai titik maksimal, kita bisa menjadi pribadi yang bermanfaat buat orang-orang di sekeliling kita. Pertama buat diri kita sendiri, lalu buat keluarga kita, dan juga buat komunitas yang lebih besar, buat lingkungan sekolah, lalu juga buat lingkungan di dalam sosial masyarakat begitu.
Boleh.
Okay.
Jadi sebelum kita ketemu jati diri yang terbaik kita ini, kita harus tahu diri sendiri, dan untuk orang lain itu harus bisa gimana gitu ya.
Betul sekali.
What about from you, Cik
From
Claresta?
Clarissa.
Yeah.
I think for me,
It's fine, take your time. Okay.
I think we can find it in our daily life and find like in our daily behavior to find that what we are good at or something like that, to find that our daily where we're potential at.
Oh, okay. So, do you think what is your potential? What you are good at?
For me, I think maybe in languages, because
Yeah.
I know a lot of
You know a lot of languages.
And you guys should know that Clarista is like really good in Mandarin.
She's fluent, actually, right?
Ni hao ma,
Yeah.
ni hao ma.
Okay, maybe Clarista bisa kasih contoh how do you speak in Mandarin?
Ooh.
And maybe you can mention your achievement in Mandarin.
Oh, maybe like I will say in Mandarin and 就像上次的演讲比赛，我有成功获得全国的前几名吧，我认为。Hope our editor can understand that.
Okay guys, you can see the translation below.
So, good luck editing team.
What is your achievement in Mandarin,
Oh my
Claresta?
And I think it's in last year I joined some speech competition.
Oh,
in Mandarin?
Won, yeah.
In Mandarin.
Oh.
Okay, and you got first prize, right?
No,
Oh,
not
no.
that much.
Oh, sorry, my mistake. My
Maybe
bad.
just the third, something like that.
No, it's not just third.
Yeah.
You won a
Won.
Mandarin competition in Indonesia. That's amazing.
Okay. That's
And,
good.
yeah, that's really good.
Okay, and then what's next? Apa berikutnya sih Bu Heni selain yang tadi?
Oke, kalau tadi ya, gimana sih caranya kita bisa mengetahui
Hmm.
potensi kita? Sebetulnya ada 4 formulanya nih.
Oh.
Ya, yang pertama itu adalah knowing your true self.
Oh.
Jadi kita harus mengetahui diri kita sendiri itu gimana sih gitu, apa yang baik, apa yang hebat yang ada di dalam diri kita. Yang kedua adalah setting a goal. Kita harus menetapkan target atau goalsnya. Yang ketiga adalah reaching a goal. Jadi bukan cuma setting aja ya, harus berusaha untuk mencapainya
Iya,
gitu.
betul,
Jadi
ya.
jangan cuma bermimpi, tapi bagaimana mewujudkan mimpi itu. Lalu yang keempat adalah becoming better. Jadi harus selalu meningkatkan diri untuk semakin baik.
Ya, tadi Mem Hani ada sempat mention setting a goal ya.
Ya.
Does that mean you've always wanted to be a teacher here?
Of course.
Apa itu goalnya?
Is that your goal?
Of course. Pasti dong, itu
Iya.
juga goals ya. Karena kan memang dari awal Mem Heni tertarik di dunia psikologi. Lalu
Oh.
kemudian psikologinya majornya pendidikan. Jadi memang berprakteknya pasti di sekolah. Menjadi school counselor.
I see.
So after knowing ourselves, we have to set our goal, right?
Yes.
Kalau tadi Claresta kan sudah tahu nih potensinya in languages ya, Mandarin and in English. So what is your goal? Have you set a goal for yourself?
For me, and as a high school student, the closest goal that I got, maybe just get into a university, like good university. But because I'm good at Mandarin, so maybe I will go to China and take university in China. Then I hope like I can got some famous university in China, maybe top 10.
Yeah,
okay.
being trilingual nowadays, it's not gimana ya? Because like being bilingual nowadays, it's like normal, right? Like talking in
Yes.
English, it's normal nowadays. That's why you being able to speak in Mandarin, that's really cool.
Yeah, okay, that's good. So at least you already have your goal, right?
Yeah, you already have the goal.
Now you are grade 11, right?
Yeah,
So
grade
it
11.
means you already set your goal for a year ahead. Okay. And then after that tadi apa Bu langkahnya selanjutnya setelah set
Setting
a
a
goal?
goals and then reaching.
Nah,
Ah.
reaching itu. Kira-kira kalau Claresta, how you will reach that goal?
Maybe at first I need to study hard more in Mandarin.
Oh,
Yeah, so that I can more fluently to speak to the teachers or something to understand the material more easily and take the HSA test. It's like the same like IELTS in English
okay.
IELTS.
There's a Mandarin version of IELTS.
Yeah.
What's the
Oh
name
my
of it?
God.
HSK.
Oh,
HSK,
HSK.
yeah.
Yes, okay.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Yeah, so about setting a goal, do you think it's important to like know our limits or something like that when setting a goal?
Yes, kita harus tahu ya, ketika kita menetapkan goals, kita harus tahu itu tadi apa yang baik dalam diri kita, lalu apa yang menjadi batasan di dalam diri kita gitu. Kenapa begitu? Supaya goals yang kita tetapkan itu menjadi goals yang memang rasional untuk bisa kita capai. Jadi ketika kita tahu batasan kita, apakah itu batasan yang masih bisa kita kembangkan, atau memang itu sudah betul-betul kita tidak bisa melampaui lagi begitu. Jadi supaya kita bisa membuat goals yang rasional.
Goals yang rasional ya Bu,
Betul.
yang pas ya, supaya
Betul.
nggak depresi kayaknya nanti.
Betul
Kalau
sekali.
goalnya terlalu tinggi,
Iya.
ternyata tidak
nggak nyampe
depresi.
terus nanti sedih gitu ya.
Yes.
Oke,
Jadi
interesting.
iya. Because personally, if you can reach for the stars, but there's also like sky's the limit, right? Harus ada batasnya gitu
Betul
ya
sekali.
maksudnya ya.
Iya.
Oh iya. Terus
Yang terakhir tadi ada lagi nggak ya Bu?
Becoming
Saya-
better.
Ah
Becoming
ya,
better.
becoming better.
Becoming better. Oh iya, saya sempat ingat di pelajarannya Mem itu, Mem ada mention ya soal climbers, campers, sama satu lagi saya
yes.
lupa. Boleh jelasin nggak itu? Lupa saya. For our viewers.
I ever read that also.
Yeah.
It's like when someone want to reach the goal, right?
Yeah.
There's climbers and then what else?
I only remember climbers and campers. I forgot
Campers.
the other one. Mem Hani explained this to us in class, but I
Yeah.
completely forgot.
Oke, nanti kita ingat-ingat lagi hal itu ya.
I just remember that.
Iya.
Ah,
Oke, sebetulnya begini, kenapa sih kita harus becoming better ya, menjadi lebih baik dan lebih baik? Karena memang tidak ada titik perhentian. Jadi ketika kita bilang kita mau mengembangkan potensi, lalu kita bilang, ya potensi saya sudah berkembang dengan maksimal dan sekarang saya mau ngabisin drama Korea 16 episode ya, saya sudah merdeka. Kan nggak mungkin ada situasi seperti itu gitu,
Iya
karena segala sesuatu itu kan akan terus berkembang dan kita harus selalu memperbaiki diri kita. Karena itu tadi ya, tantangan kan juga semakin berkembang juga di depan. Lalu juga banyak hal baru juga yang harus kita pelajari gitu. Jadi intinya adalah jangan kemudian stop dan berpuas diri, tapi terus mengembangkan diri, belajar hal baru lagi gitu.
betul
Yeah,
sekali.
because life is the learning experience, right?
Yes.
Yeah, living is a learning experience.
Iya. Dan tetap harus ada selalu hal baru yang kita pelajari ya Bu.
Betul sekali.
Bahkan sebagai guru pun kita di sini pasti ada hal baru terus yang kita pelajari. Nggak cukup mentok, oke, karena kita udah jadi guru kita puas gitu. No guys,
No.
kita tetap belajar setiap hari.
Betul sekali.
Oh.
Ya Weni ya.
Ya.
Oh yeah, there's another thing I'd like to mention. It has something to do with relationships, not just romantic, but platonic also. Like kayak cuma teman atau apa gitu. So for example, we're already like top one or something, but then suddenly we're friends with these people. Maybe this is for Claresta lah ya. Do you think a relationship have an influence on our reaching our full potential or something like that?
I think yes, like if you like with friends when someone will take you always playing, like always bothering you when you study and wasting your time. But if you have with some friends like will teach you or lead you, take you to some ways that can make you become a better person, of course it will like
Yeah, they'll help us become
help us
better,
become
right?
better.
Yeah, that's actually the case for me now that you mentioned it. I have this rivalry with a friend in class. My one goal is to be one above him, out of spite.
So at least you have goal.
At least
ya.
I have a goal, right?
So, jadi bagaimanapun pergaulan mempengaruhi ya. Jadi ingat pergaulan yang buruk merusak
Merusak
kebiasaan yang baik gitu. So if you already set your goal, kemudian kamu sudah punya kebiasaan-kebiasaan yang baik, tentu saja kamu harus gimana menjaganya gitu ya. Menarik sekali topik kita guys, about finding the potential of yourself ya. Pertama tadi kenali dulu diri, kemudian apa lagi Bu Hen?
Setting goals,
Setting goals, kemudian
reaching a goal.
reaching the goals-nya. Jadi jangan cuma set doang, tapi harus melangkah ya Bu Hen.
Betul.
Terakhir,
Becoming better.
becoming better. Okay.
Okay, before we end, I just have one more question for like our students out there. I want to hear this from both sides. Let's start with Mem Hani. Menurut Mem, kita sebagai murid itu bisa melakukan apa biar bisa ngebantu ngedorong potensi kita sampai maksimal gitu?
Oke, yang bisa dilakukan itu tadi sudah dijelaskan ya, ada 4 hal itu, tapi secara detail sebetulnya melalui daily life, melalui kegiatan sehari-hari ketika di sekolah, ketika belajar, sebetulnya yang penting itu fokus melakukan apa yang memang harus dilakukan. Jadi saatnya lagi belajar, ya fokus belajar. Tapi saatnya lagi refreshing, mungkin lagi harus have fun, lagi harus seneng-seneng, ya fokuslah di situ gitu. Jadi supaya hidup pun juga menjadi imbang. Yang penting adalah fokus dan juga konsisten melakukan apa yang memang baik untuk dilakukan.
Jadi kalau sebagai murid, menurut dari guru, kita itu harus fokus, konsisten, dan apa sih, jangan melenceng gitu ya.
Betul sekali.
Ya. Kalau dari
Kalau dari
Cek Claresta
Claresta?
gimana?
For me, maybe like kind of the same like Ma'am Penny, like we need to balance our time and don't have too much pressure. Do as much as you can, but don't pressure yourself too much.
Wah, keren,
oke.
keren.
Ya.
Oke, menarik ya
Iya.
tamu-tamu kita kali ini, dan jawabannya keren-keren banget deh, karena memang kita punya tamu yang luar biasa sekali.
Iya.
So I think that's all for our podcast.
Yeah, I think we're out of time right now. So thank you all for listening. Thank you for coming. This was TAP, Tongkrongan Anak Penabur. Bye.
Bye.